talk about everything. Everything we're doing.
Yeah.
We're doing lots of stuff to this thing. It's a good old FJ Cruiser. It's got 251,000 miles on it, which is a lot. So it needs a lot. So we're doing lower control arm cam tab gussets, doing an all new steering rack. We're replacing the Icon upper control arms that are in it with SPCs. We're doing ride shocks all the way around, thanks AccuTune. And then we're putting some MetalCloak control arms in the rear, as well as an Keith track bar correction bracket with a MetalCloak track bar. So we're gonna get all this stuff on and get this thing ready to go. Take an air hammer, knock those little spot welds out, and then we've got the cam kits ready to go over here. So here's our gussets. I pre-welded them on the table, clean them up a little. So you install these guys, they just slot down in these open slots, put a bead down the back, and then grind it flat so it sits nice and flat up against the frame. And then we're gonna line it up with the hole in those lower control arm mounts. And then we're gonna put a couple of beads around the outside, and these will be a hell of a lot more sturdy than the stock Toyota ones. 3/16 steel on the sides, and we do put a bead down the side, so it's not gonna move when you're turning those cams, trying to dial in that alignment. So we're gonna get these clamped on the frame, get them all lined up, and then we're gonna burn them in.
Had some Icon lower arms and stock uppers that were totally shot, so we went ahead and just are replacing everything with MetalCloak. So we're going to measure out these uppers, slightly longer than these, and then we'll get the lowers in, and then once we get the new shocks and everything in, we'll throw it on the alignment rack, see where they're at, and adjust them slightly if need be.
We're on day 2 of this build. Yesterday we wrapped up the cam tab gussets, got them all painted up, and then Tony threw the rear arms in, got the Keith correction in. I threw sway bar links in the back, and we pulled the springs out because it had some old crusty Icon hydraulic bump stops. So we got some spring isolators coming for the rear to replace those, and then we're going to throw in some Timbrins. Put the rear shocks in, put the old rear springs in because they were good, and then that'll pretty much wrap up the rear. I started in on the steering rack, and because it's so rusty, we've had a few issues. I had to cut the steering shaft out, and then I'm gonna have to cut the power steering lines out and replace those. So we're just waiting on parts right now. I'll probably do a few odds and ends here and there, just to take up some time. Just because this is an extensive build, we have a lot of stuff to do, and so waiting for parts isn't very fun. But we have a lot of stuff to do, so we'll get some more stuff done while we're waiting for those parts. right, guys, last time you saw us, we were just starting in on installing everything. I think Tony got the rear arms in, so we've made a lot of progress since the last time we talked to you. We got the front coilovers in, got the lower control arms back in with the new cam tab gussets. We got the upper control arms in. We went from icons to SPCs just for ease of adjustability as far as the alignment goes. Really dial it in and make it drive nice. Got the reservoirs mounted. Along with the steering rack, we're gonna have to do some power steering lines. So once we finish up the rear here, we'll drop it down, get those power steering lines in, and then get all the air out of that system. On the rear back here, we got the timber and bump stops in, new sway bar links, and these new ride shocks, along with all of the MetalCloak links. So this thing should flex pretty good, should ride really, really good now. So we're just kind of getting ready to wrap up everything and then get it over on the alignment rack, get that all dialed in, and then this guy will be out rescuing people in no time. Finally got this thing all wrapped up, got it aligned, everything's looking good. So this guy will be ready to go out, hit the trails, go rescue some people. So yeah, we're excited to get it back to him.